What's up guys, this is Taxpert. I welcome you on my channel. If you opened this video, probably you want to open a trading account or brokerage account to start investing. In the previous video, which is right here, we were talking about steps on how to start investing. And one of the most important steps is opening a brokerage account. So you are in the right way. I'll show you in this video how to open a trading account on eToro. I'll show you how to buy stocks, how to place an order, and how to copy other traders on eToro, which is very good feature that eToro provides. You just choose the risk level you want to follow, and it gives you all you need. And just make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos, and let's watch. Okay, let's go. Let's say that you have decided to register on eToro and start investing in stock market via my link in the description. You just click on this link and it takes you to eToro landing page where it tells you everything about eToro, about your first deposit as low as $200, so you can trade any stock by clicking just trade. You can buy and enter the amount you want to buy. Shortly talking about eToro, it is regulated by Cyprus Security Exchange Committee, and also it is regulated in UK and Australia. So this is fully legit, and you can see this information in the terms and conditions and general risk disclosure. To register, you just click join now and then put a username which is available. Let's just put Stockspert1234. You put your email, which is yours, and password. And then of course accept the terms and conditions. If you want to read, just click here and mark that you acknowledge about your information will be used in accordance with privacy policy and cookie policy, and just click join now. After it takes you to the page where you can start trading. And before, there is a short information about stock trading, that you can buy fractional shares of brands you love. For example, if you don't have enough money for buying one stock of Apple, for example, which costs about $360 now, you just can buy a fraction of this one share. Also, there is no fees for stocks and ETFs. You just don't pay commission for buying or selling these stocks. In other brokerage services, they might charge you for this also. So just to know that there is no commission for that. You can research the stock you are trading, and there's also very good opportunity to copy other traders on eToro, that you gain the same percent of money that other investors do. First, to start trading, you want to complete your profile. Here you put all the information according to your passport and other documents. So to make sure that this is very legal, and you want to open a brokerage account, so you have to verify your account and put all the necessary information here, and it should match your ID or passport. So we will continue in my already opened profile with completed profile. So here I'll make sure that I'm opening a virtual portfolio, so we don't trade it right now for real money. So the first bookmark is your watch list. Here you can watch all the interested stocks. You can here see the change of the stock price for the day, week, or month. There is a price for selling and buying, and also there is information about eToro investors, that 99% of investors have in Apple stocks the buy position, and 12.94% of all the investors in eToro invest in Apple. So this is very useful information about these stocks. Down here you have how much money you have available in your account and how much of them are allocated in stocks and how much profit do you have and the total amount. So if you want to see your portfolio, you just click portfolio and you can see what investments do you have. Currently in this virtual portfolio I have the copying portfolio of this guy, Jian Swang. I invested at $12,500 and there was gain of 20.9% and value is $15,112.8. Also there is the stock of Royal Dutch. It is decreased by 8% since I invested in, so this was a not very successful investment. And there is also invested, this is a minimum of investing copying portfolio of Oliver Denville. So currently it has 0.01% down. And here you can see your portfolio. You can change the view, so you can watch it only stocks, or you can watch the allocation between stocks, currencies and commodities. So markets, people, balance, so whatever diagrams you need to see, everything is available. If you want to buy any stock, you just go to Watchlist if you were watching, or just search in this field. For example, let's say we want to buy an Amazon stock. You go to buy section and click on the buy and make sure that you are buying, because if you choose sell, this opens a short position, which is not, if you're not familiar with this, so you don't have to use it for now, because short positions are very risky for newcomers. You want to buy, if you want to buy at market price, you just leave it here, or if you want to buy at certain amount of price, you click rate and put that amount of money that you want to buy at. So we just choose market price. In the amount section, you put for how much money you want to buy shares of Amazon, or either you can choose how many shares, like 2 shares of Amazon, and you can put stop loss. The eToro terminal will automatically sell your stocks if you want to when the stock price reaches some amount of money, or take profit as well. If it goes up and it reaches some amount of price, and it will take the profit and sell the stock. So this is says commission free, and you set order. When the market opens, it will buy Amazon. The order is placed. You can see it in portfolio that pending orders, it will be placed when the market opens. Currently the market is not open, that's why it tells that it is pending. Further in the news feed, you can see all the news that are eToro users talking about, news about stocks that you are that are on your watch list or portfolio, which is also very useful for keeping on track the stocks you are investing in. The next one is trade markets. You can you just research here what stocks are available and how they are performing. You can filter by types of investments, for example stocks, and you can see only stocks. You can filter by industry or the markets. You just choose the stocks you want to buy. In copy people section, you can copy other eToro investors that might be maybe professionals and they know what they are doing, and you just copy their investments in your portfolio. There are also very useful thing that eToro points out the risks. There's a 1 from 1 to 10. The 3 means it's like less than average risk. The 5 is like medium risk, so you can buy you can copy these investors and you will be gaining as much as they are. For example, this guy is have gained 35% for last 12 months, and he has 252 copiers, but his risk level is 6. And so as this guy, he has less gains for last 12 months as well as less risks. You can filter here whatever filter you want and choose the trader you want and copy him. Remember, I showed you that I copied this guy and we gained 21% for the last couple of months. The next section is CopyPortfolio. CopyPortfolios is a portfolio management product. Investing in CopyPortfolios will automatically copy multiple markets or traders. So there's also risks and gains which are shown that you can pick on your choice. Also, there is market portfolios that you can choose, like game industries or outsmart Nasdaq. You can also invest in partner portfolios that have chosen stocks, and you can copy them as well. These are the most of the needed things to trade. It's not that hard. You just copy them or you just buy and sell stocks when you want. So this is not very hard. The next very important thing about is depositing funds. You just click here, deposit funds, and you can deposit funds to your account via Visa, MasterCard, or choosing PayPal, and it will fund your account, which you can invest in stocks or ETFs and etc. Here in the more section you can find eToro Club, where you can explore the offering of each membership tier from silver to diamond, and it depends on your equity. So how much money do you have in your account? So for silver you should have $5,000, and for diamond $250,000. eClub eToro, you can just have an access to different tools and instruments to have a good research on stocks and other services. You can just get information here. Also inviting friends, getting help to frequently asked questions and all the type of questions. If you would like to withdraw funds, you just click withdraw funds. I tried once and I can say that this is real. So the withdrawing commission fee is only $5, and all other services is commission free. So this is very good. You trade for zero commission, and withdrawing is only $5 for withdrawing. In a settings page you can set your how your start page looks like, your account, and other notifications, privacy, and all of this stuff. So this is pretty much it. If you have any questions on eToro, just comment below and we can discuss, and I'll try to help on all questions on eToro. This is that simple. If you want to make a contribution to videos I make, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.